Everyone attacking? Yes?
Alright, Dix, let's do this.
All in attack? Tommy, you're back.
Let's go!
I'm only going for the VIP.
What's he running for? I don't know. Oh, that hit you. When they like, heads up, he's coming again.
That was a hit.
Oh, I see. Clever plan.
That wasn't what I was aiming at.
Hey, fish tail. What the heck? Wait. Oh. It's actually fun just seeing me. Push! Oh! 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 They're like unguided rockets. Oh, so close. Nope. Wait, where'd my thing go? That is.
Hit.
Watch out!
Clear.
Joey's right behind you.
Drum dart. Can't get anywhere near there if you're gonna pee. Yep.
Alright, ready, Jim?
Defend. This field is too narrow for this.
Too right.
No. Enough. Go. Oh, he hit me. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear. Hit.
I don't know. Did I get it?
No.
Good.
I got you before you shot.
Yeah. I don't remember. Did you get hit? He said he didn't get hit. Yeah, I didn't get hit.
Alright, should we push?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear.
The guy with the stock cut. Huh? Bill? The other guy with the stock cut.
He's in the central puncher.
Yo! Phil's down. His gun's broke. Give us Sancho. You got it, Phil. Grab my Raven. Sancho, you're on our team now. Yeah. Okay, then you guys.
Get Corey. Watch Corey.
We're a man down already. You were man ahead. Yeah, exactly. We have 2 man down now. Are you pretty cool? Just give us Sancho.
Oh, there's a hit. Switch gears right there. No, it hit the pole.
Get him, Numa. Ah, Numa, yes. Hit.
Yep.
Take him. Go rush him. Rush. Rush. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, he's got a rough cut. Get him.
Yes, did you hit there VIP?
No. Numa got me about 10 or 20 feet away from him. Clear.
Clear. Alright, good luck. No, he's talking about me.
Oh, he pushed. Yeah, everyone fall back.
Fall back. You're on their team. Well, that's what we get. We got a hit on the other team.
We're winning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, when he said hit over there, he's talking about me, not you.
Yeah, I got that.
Guys,
They're coming. They're coming.
Watch left.
Oh, that went right through his leg. Now I'm just playing midfield because there's almost no way to get in there. Unless we hit them all.
nice shot. Shouldn't have cut this many catch notches. It's annoying, 'cause he catches on the second one half the time.
Oh yeah!
Got you.
Move, rush up, rush up. Too late, too late, too late.
He was right on top.
Yeah, I know. Curtis, watch your right. Yeah.
Guys, time's up. Sudden death. Sudden death for everybody. Sudden death everyone. There's no VIP anymore. Alright, this is 2DM now. Yo. Just knock a hit point off of both VIPs. Huh? Knock. Did you get hit? You got hit once. Yeah, I hit him once.
Gun count.
Yeah, gun counts. Sundeath, forget it, it's not worth it.
Oh yeah, my left hand.
They're lit.
No. Don't worry about it. Sudden death. Yeah, but I'm done. I don't know.
Ah. Ah.
Oh, that went past me.
Is that Hero? Nice shot, Hero.
They're rushing left. Left. Ha! Get pegged.
Got your gun! That's for it! Gotcha! You know what? Suck it!
Where's your left?
No, actually, we just switched positions. I need darts really badly. They don't know yet. I'm shooting anything that comes here.
It's like real life fog of war, like you hear about that.
Yeah.
If only that general attacked, he would have won it, but he didn't know that the other side, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. The good thing about the black ones is they can't see them. But obviously there's not that many black ones.
Damn, do you have the black belt too? Yeah. Black and white.
Did I teach you?
No, it was a bounce. Bounce! love to get those darts right to my left. I can't get to them. Actually, the dart's behind me. Oh. That went like over the barrier, like about 5 feet in front of me. What else got me darts?
You didn't have to do that. Come on, Phil.
What? Oh, there's a hit. Yeah, I need a tree. Shit! The tube came out.